Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where creativity meets fun. Today, I'm sharing a beautiful and simple paper craft project that's perfect for adding a festive or artistic touch to your space. As you can see, this stunning piece has red pointed petals with an intricate center design. And it's surprisingly easy to create. Whether you're decorating for a holiday, a special event, or just want to try something fun and relaxing, this craft is for you. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, you'll need a few simple materials. Colored craft paper, I'm using red and white, scissors, glue, a ruler, a pencil, and optional tools for quilling if you want those swirly. To create the petals, cut strips of red paper, around 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Fold each strip lengthwise to create a crease. Then gently roll or fold the edges inward to form a sharp, leaf-like shape. Glue the ends together so they hold their form. Repeat this process to make about 10 to 12 petals. You can make more if you want a fuller look. Creating the swirls 30 seconds. Next, for those lovely spiral designs in the center, cut thinner strips of red paper, about 1/2 inch wide. Use a pencil or a quilling tool to tightly roll the strips into coils. You can adjust the coils to make them looser or tighter, depending on the look you want. Assembling the flower 30 seconds. Start by arranging the petals in a circular pattern, gluing each one at the center. Once you have your petals in place, add the quilled coils in the gaps between the petals to give it a more intricate design. Finally, add a small white paper flower with a red center at the very middle for that finishing touch. And there you have it, your stunning handmade paper flower. This piece works beautifully as wall decor, a festive ornament, or even as a unique gift for friends and family. The best part is that you can customize it with different colors or sizes to suit your style. If you enjoyed this craft, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe or follow to my channel for more creative ideas. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next or share your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!